There are several ways that you can make money online. One of the best ways is by selling products on Amazon. Amazon is the #1 e-commerce marketplace in the world, and literally billions of dollars are spent every single year on Amazon. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 separate ways of how you can generate money from Amazon, and I'm even wearing the Amazon yellow. Let's get started. Now, of course, before you get started selling products on Amazon, the first step is actually opening an Amazon seller account. This can be both a very easy thing to do as well as a little bit of a tricky situation. Because if you apply and you don't provide the right documents, you might get rejected and then you have a headache. So make sure that you download our free Amazon Middle East cheat sheet so that you can learn all of the details of how you can open and register your Amazon account in the Middle East. The first way that you can start making money selling online, also the easiest, also the best way if you are a new seller, and that's selling generic products as a reseller. See, on Amazon, you can sell your own products, better known as private label. Keep watching the video till the end because I'm gonna explain how that functions. And you can also become a reseller. So you can look at existing products on Amazon and just sell them under the same exact listing. So this is perfect for beginners. It requires no technical skills because you're not going to be even listing the product or creating the images or anything like that. But it does require that you take the time to find really good suppliers and make sure that you get really good prices because you are going to be competing on the buy box. Before we continue, make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section below. Method number 2 is actually selling wholesale branded products. This becomes a little bit trickier, not because it's harder to do it on Amazon. It's basically the same system like method number 1. However, it becomes a little bit tough to find products that are branded and be allowed to sell them. So in order to sell branded products, you either need to go directly to the manufacturer or to registered distributors in the market where you are selling or you intend to sell these products, or else you're not going to be allowed to sell them on Amazon. Do not make the mistake of going to a store, buying the products from a regular store or a supermarket and try to sell them on Amazon. Now, the reason why I said it's a little bit tricky is because you will need to find these distributors and manufacturers, and you need to convince them to sell you products so you can go ahead and sell them on Amazon. And it's not always easy, especially if you're a new seller and especially if you don't want to sell or you want to buy large quantities. Method number 3 is private label or white label. This for sure is my favorite way of selling products on Amazon, but it also requires a little bit more skills. Reason being is you need to do product research in order to decide on the type and category and product that you intend to sell. The product needs to be very much in demand, but also doesn't have a lot of competition and you can easily sell it in the market. You also need to think of how you're going to differentiate your product, either through targeting different type of customer or differentiate the product itself. And you're also going to have the skills of finding a supplier, shipping the products over to the Amazon FBA warehouse, but most importantly, marketing and advertising skills, because you are the one that's responsible for creating the listing, the images, the marketing, the advertising, basically everything. But this is the fastest and truest way of developing a real business online, where you can develop your own brand, you get started on Amazon, and then maybe you start selling on other marketplaces or even on your own website. Generally speaking, private label gets you the best return on investment because you're not competing with anyone for the buy box. So technically speaking, you can sell the product at market price or even higher if you have some differences that you've created. And finally, one of the easiest ways to get started is through affiliate marketing. So Amazon has an Amazon Associates program, which is for affiliate marketing or just for promoting products. Anyone, even if you're an Amazon seller, can go ahead and open an Amazon affiliates account. It's for free and it's super easy. So all you need to do is just to promote the products that you use from Amazon and that you think are really good. Now, it does help, of course, if you already have an audience. So if you're a content creator Twitter or if you have a small following, then it's really good because you're going to have a lot of audience to market to. It's a little bit tricky if you don't have any followers online at all. But if you do or if you don't, make sure that you are genuine with the types of products that you actually do promote, because at the end of the day, you want to build that connection with your audience so that they really understand that you're just providing products that you use on an everyday basis. You find a lot of TikTokers creating incredible, literally incredible, that TikToks that we review on our TikTok channel, all about different products that they have bought on Amazon, what they like, what they don't like, and then they provide an affiliate link. So the idea behind this is if a customer goes into the product page through your affiliate link, they have 24 hours to purchase that product or any product on Amazon, and then you will get paid a commission. The cool thing about it is that the more money you generate, the higher your commission tier will become. Now, if you are interested in private label, make sure that you check out the last video that we did with Helium 10, all about their feature called Black Box that can help you find successful products to sell on Amazon. I'll leave it right here on the screen. I'll leave it up here somewhere, and I'll leave it in the description box of this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.